All of us are born with aspirations. As we grow, our aspirations too starts growing. As a human being, it's natural to have aspirations. I want to be a doctor, engineer, cricketer. I want to be wealthy, beautiful, famous, powerful. But more important is to understand what do we do when those aspirations are met, because those aspirations only provide better facilities to lead our life in this world. Purpose of human life is not spending our whole life accumulating the facilities, but to achieve the real goal. What is that real goal that each one of us must fulfill in our life? Lord Krishna tells in Bhagavad Gita, Vyavasayatmika buddhir ekeha kurunandana bahushakahi anantascha buddhayo avyavasayina. Lord says an intelligent person is one who is Vyavasayatmika. That intelligent person has one pointed vision in his life, which is to perform occupational duty for his soul. Lord Krishna further goes on saying, Bahushakahi anantascha. An unintelligent person spends his life trying to just fulfill his missions, forgetting real vision of human life. Let us try to understand what is that one vision. Just like a long marathon, athletes have to run for hours and hours, keeping their eyes on the finish line. While they are in this journey, they meet their family who greet them. They meet friends who cheer for them. But athlete doesn't get distracted. He reciprocates with them but keeps running. On his journey, he receives water. He drinks but continues to run. He is offered colorful lunch meals, but he doesn't stop. He picks up and he eats while running. When he actually crosses the finish lane, he realizes that his goal is accomplished. If you closely analyze this, the support he received during his journey were surely outcome of his previous accomplishments. But it was not his goal. His real goal was to cross the finish lane. He utilized all those previous accomplishments in his journey to strengthen him to achieve that goal, which is to cross the finish lane. Yes, in my life journey, I may have many aspirations. They are like owning different brands of car. I may accomplish BMW, Mercedes-Benz, but what is the use of my whole life if I keep accumulating various brands of cars, but I forget about the needs of the driver within the car? Without driver, such cars are of no value. Driver cannot live by maintaining the car alone. Food to the driver is actually different to the food given to the car. If you closely observe, driver needs to have his own food. So this body is also like a car. We nourish it daily by giving nutritious food and also help it to maintain itself by meeting many aspirations we have in our life, like becoming wealthy, owning a bungalow, having beautiful family, becoming famous. But what about the driver within the body? The driver's food is different. Our accomplishments in life has created a better facility for us to live, that's all. But it has not nourished the driver within us. Driver is actually nourished when we utilize all those accomplishments to serve Lord Krishna, serve humanity by sharing Lord's love with everyone. So there is no problem in having many missions in our life, but to be successful as a human being, All these missions need to be driving accelerators, very important to fulfill our one vision of human life, which is becoming Vyavasayatmika, performing the occupation duty for our driver soul by serving his beloved master, the creator, maintainer of this world, the Almighty God.